The Quest of Chemistry, an adventure story by Alexa Chu and Veronica Eber. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom called Solutionville, which was made up of two sections, Table L and Table K. In Solutionville, there lived two friends, a base and an acid. The acid's name was carbonana-acrid, and the base's name was soda oxyhydrox. One day, a traveler came to Solutionville, saying that there was a treasure.
Hello, I'm H2O. I could be a base or acid depending on the reactant. To go on this quest, you must go on a pH scale. You are not worthy to go on this quest. Sodia, if you have a lower number than 14, you will die for sure. Carbonana, as for you, you need a pH of 1 or else you will be nothing more than a batch of eggs.
They beg H2O to take the test, and he gives up. They step on the pH scale, and suddenly, they are ranked the most acidic and basic out of the entire village. Everyone gasps, and they start to bow to them.
We misjudged you greatly. We wish you luck.
They walk for days, until they meet an evil creature. He bends down to them and says,
Ho ho ho, you two make a nice snack.
He bites Carbonana and suddenly spits her out.
Ew, you're too sour.
Then he bites into Sodia and shouts,
Disgusting, you're too bitter.
He tries to grab Sodia, but it turns out bases are slippery. He tries to grab Sodia a second time and it works.
You're too slippery, but I can still get you.
He puts Carbonana in a cell and makes Sodia clean the cage. Suddenly, Carbonana realizes that the cell she is locked in is made out of cobalt. She starts to react with cobalt, turning it into hydrogen gas. They both escape, and they continue to follow the path, and suddenly they see a treasure chest.
Who's there? You may only pass if you are a true acid or base. Touch the litmus paper to prove it.
Carbonana touches the blue litmus paper and it turns red, while Sodia touches the red litmus paper and it turns blue. The gate smiles and opens. They step through the gates to reach to touch the treasure. Suddenly, the ground rumbles as the dragon emerges.
How dare you touch my treasure? I'll kill you.
The electricity hits them, but it does no damage. They smile proudly.
We are electrolytes. You can't hurt us. We are electrolytes.
The dragon roars and steps on Sodia. Carbonana shouts,
No!
and rushes to her side. They realize that since they are acid and base, they can combine to form a neutralization reaction. Carbonana, who is an acid, can donate H+ ions to Sodia, who is a base. They combine to make salt and water, shooting it into the dragon's eyes and conducting electricity.
The dragon is defeated.
They return home victorious. Thank you so much for tuning in and listening to our adventure story. The end.